Check, check, check. What up, dudes? Getting ready to do a stream, and I decided to make a thumbnail, and I'm going to do a Photoshop tutorial, or at least show how I edit my template file into a new thumbnail. And up this little sucker over here. Okay. These are all my previous backgrounds I've used. Shut some of these off. Be flying this plane this time. Go ahead and label that Cessna. Okay. You guys can see the typing that small. If I do tutorials in the future, leave a comment if you'd like me to change the resolution so all this shit's bigger. Maybe I could do it like this. Oh. Anyway, I think that actually did help, didn't it? Fuck yeah. All right, let's try that again. Blue sky. So a lot of these I probably won't use again unless I go flying in Dubai again. Like I think that's what that is. But what I'll do is I'll come over here to import, place embedded rather. Up to my downloads folder. Some of these things. Christmassy thing for this. Hit enter. An old rattlesnake from I did test. All my background should be in here actually. So we're gonna take all of these into the backgrounds folder. So you can keep them nice and tidy like that, right? And then we'll come over here and we'll import something else. This background is closed. Shrink that up a bit. You hold Alt Shift, drag in like that. And try to find spacing right. You don't want it too close to the edge. You want to leave yourself a little bit of padding here. Because depending on the aspect ratio of the TV and all that kind of stuff, all the outside might get clipped off. It's not like a widescreen format. So this one needs to move a little. Now we're going to come up here to layer styles. I'm going to give it a little bit heavier drop shadow. Filter. Tell you what I'll do. I'll drag this one here. I'll turn off the stroke. The extra drag. Move this one here by dragging it down to the track. Now there's just the one. Since I don't need the stroke, I'll trash that too. Okay. Drag that one down to my other decoration. I kind of want this to be over the text. Oh, that's the bell. Part of our background, this will be our fort. Okay, so I think I'll probably do away with this. Let's see. Sucker. So I won't be. Let's hit that right. Oh, yeah, there we go. Let's get this window. Pull you over to the other screen. Well, you want to be able to see what I'm doing. Dock it for now. Okay. Okay, that's starting to look kind of Christmassy, Greg. You're gonna click Alt, hold Alt, and then drag this fucker after you hit Enter. Got two addims. Flip vertically. And then I'll go flip horizontal. Okay. This one might move behind logo. I said I'm gonna lose this. Take lock. Snake's gotta go. Label that. Snake. And get even more crafty and take all of these and go to another folder. Label that. Sky. Try to keep the file clean. The more stuff you save in these folders, the bigger the file is going to get. Look, I've already got 255 megabyte file going here because all that extra shit. This one. Hey, look. You watch down here, this is my file size here in the corner. See, my head's in. Okay, let's see. We got to put this bell in a better spot if we're going to use this. We might not. I'm going to close it out for a second. All right, what background are we going to use? Have I decided on a background yet? Let's go over to the internet. This is a good one. I like this one. It's not a PNG though. Oh, it's a clip art. It's not. It doesn't have a transparent. That's not gonna work for us. Should be transparent. I don't know. That one's okay. Much bigger picture too. Perfect. Drag that over here in the other onto the other screen. You can also drag and drop in files like that too. This might be a bit much actually. Unless I ditch the plane. We'll drag our effects over here. Give that one a drop shadow or a stroke also. See what that looks like. A little big though. Mm-hmm. And nice and big and bold. Let's see what it looks like behind the text. Close the text. Right in between. And move live up here some more. I think maybe we'll use one of our skies, just the basic blue one. Oh, come on. There you go. Oh. Actually, maybe a picture of Santa on his sleigh would be kind of cool. See if I can find. Santa's sleigh. Go over to here. This one here. Well, those are all pretty good. Suckers. It's huge. Security check. You can ring my bell, ring my bell. Oh yeah, look at that. That's Christmassy, huh? This is looking a little flat though. We'll come over here, layer style, and let's see if maybe I can bevel and embrace it a little. Yeah, that kind of just gives it a little fluff around here. Watch. That gives it some punch. If you want to do a little more, you can go shadow on. Why is there? Oh, these are existing drop shadows. I got you. That need a drop shadow. That looks fine. Let's from a distance. Let's see if it's too jumbled. No, that's pretty good. And you know what I kind of want? I want the reindeer's legs to be going over this, so it looks like the deer are kind of coming through. Watch. So we'll come over here. We'll hit Control and click that. See how that grabs everything here? And then I'll come over here. Let's see. To the Christmas decoration. Hit, let's see, Control Shift I to invert the mask. And then hit. Now see how I'm jumping out? It's pretty cool, right? Although if I want to do that, I should do this. Make it a little bigger. Oh, that's come on. Better. Hit enter. Click Control Shift I to invert the mask. Come back up to the decoration and hit. Boom. Very cool. Now drop shadow would make a little more sense right here at the foot, but we're not going to deal with it. Then you come back here from a distance. Pretty cool, right? Not bad, not bad. What else? I fit Merry Christmas in here anywhere? Maybe I could take my logo and kind of back it off a little. Part of the logo. Get out of there. Yeah, why not? Now, when you're happy with it, just Control Alt Control Alt Shift S, and that'll export you for the web. So lately I've been saving PNG8. That's just because it's doing better with drop shadows on images with transparency. But for this, oh, you know what it also does? See how it says 2.5 megabytes? That's too big for a YouTube thumbnail. So PNG8 gives you a much smaller file size, 631K. I'll come up here and go GJL thumbnail Christmas. You know, I'm going to check the flightsim.to and see if they've got a Santa. Claus. Sleigh, huh? That's too bad. I figured there would be. Let's try sleigh. Oh well, too bad, so sad. Well, that's how we make a thumbnail, folks. Pretty neat, right? Not really that hard. You know those few things. And I'll come over here and I'll save it. The project, that is. The Spider-Man piece I can probably toss out because I'm not going to be doing very many Spider-Man. There's my helicopter. I'm gonna save these as foreground elements. Foreground. It's plenty enough. Little S. That's all, folks. Thanks for checking this video out. I love y'alls. You're the best. Don't forget to check out my social media. Facebook, blah, 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 blah. And the most important thing ever, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.